Does your Facebook page need tons of followers, before you actually start running ads? Let's say that you are starting out, with completely new brand, you want to build it, and do you really need like hundreds of thousands of followers to actually make your ads profitable? Is it bullshit or is it reality? For all of you that actually follow me for a couple of years and watch my videos, then you probably know that before I actually had my Facebook advertising agency operation, I actually run my own 8-figure e-commerce stores, right? Dropshipping stores, and I still run them. We still spend tens of thousands of dollars every day on these stores. And basically, I started a lot of stores, right? Like most dropshippers. And I need to say that I never had any page with any followers. All my pages had literally 0 followers, and they were profitable from day one. And they were like super profitable. And I will tell you why, right? Because a lot of people actually, like talks that, oh yeah, you need to have like 10,000 followers, 20,000 followers and all that. But do you really need that? Because I think the answer is in how people actually use Facebook and how they actually react to your ads, right? How they actually deal with Facebook. Basically, let's say that again, you have a phone, right? And because like 97% of people on Facebook are actually on phones. I don't know if you actually seen some, ad on any phone, right? But usually once you are like scrolling through newsfeed and you see all these ads, right? And you see like posts, right? And then you see an ad, right? You look at it, you see a nice headline, right? Call to action, some scarcity in it, right? It's like there is like some great offer, like it's really like built around that impulse buy to make you buy immediately. And how often you actually click on that page, then scroll through all the information about page, check that page, and then check like followers, and all that. Like, I feel like most of the time you don't do that, right? What you do actually is that you click immediately on that ad, go to the landing page, check that copy, check that offer, check that price, buy or bounce, and that's it. So most people, they don't dig that deep, inside of the page, especially when they're on a phone, right? I would even understand if they do it on desktop because, well, once you have like a mouse, and keyboard, it's like way easier to like open like separate window, with that page, specifically, and then react on that ad. But since everybody's on phones, it's super difficult to actually check, that page itself, once you are checking the offer, right? It's just like similar thing like when basically Facebook starts showing that page transparency, right? Where basically we're able to start checking on your competition, seeing all their ads, and well, basically every time when you've seen a page, you could check what ads they're running in what country, right? And marketers were like going like super crazy, like wow, we are like done, right? We are running like so many of these ads for different stores, like we are dead, people will like read it, but like nobody reads it, right? I mean, most people don't read it, especially when they see it on phone. Like, do you know how difficult it is, to like on phone click on that page, when you see ad, then try to search on like a page transparency, seeing those ads, like check those ads. It's like hardcore, right? I mean, people have like so short attention spans that it's like absolutely impossible for them to like spend so much time, digging on some page or like a history of page. They are like almost like robots, right? Because when you have like a good offer, like, and very appealing creative, and it really like hits them like emotionally and hook them emotionally to that ad, to that product, like people are almost like in limbo, right? They just like, okay, see like product, click, go, credit card, buy, or just like, no, don't like it, bounce, price high, whatever. But still, it's like very automatic, right? They don't like think about it. And they don't believe, everything what they see in ads and on landing pages, let's say. If you have a page or you are just building a brand, right? You just decided, okay, I will just build a brand, you ordered like tons of products, from Alibaba, ship it to your, warehouse, or like to your home, and then launch ads, you have like no followers at all. Like if your ads aren't working, it's definitely not because you don't have any followers. It's just because maybe your offer is not right, discount is not right, or maybe you don't even have a discount, depends on like product, right? Or your product is not really, in like a good sync with that audience that you are targeting, and or video is boring, right? or it can be like some other thing, but usually it's around offer and that creative. It's not because, let's say, your page is new, you know, without any history, because like new brands are starting running ads every day, right? And they are successful. A lot of them are not successful and a lot of them are successful. But I can tell you that most of these brands that start, like their first ads are not really successful, but they work on them, you know, improve them, are trying to use some creativity, you know, in their ads, and then they are successful, even without those followers. So it's really about that. So I hope this video helped and actually answer a lot of your questions. And if you still didn't download my free Facebook ad launch guide for e-commerce, you know, I wrote literally for e-commerce owners who first want to launch their own ads, you know, and don't want to really like burn money on a lot of like bad strategies, right? Because there are like some very advanced strategies, like how we are spending $50,000 per day, our all optimization rules, you know, like all that, right? And it's also like a good actually source for people that already work with Facebook advertising agency and want to know if their agency is actually, you know, like working properly, right? They are not botching their job or they are like taking it easy, right? And because there's like always, you know, something that you can improve, and actually agencies are not really like that great in it. So definitely download that book, it's still free, so download it now. And if you like my videos and you would like to see more of them, definitely subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button, and thank you very much for watching my video, and I will see you in next one. Bye.